single sentence like one. Let me just come rename them, rename the columns. Let's say the f dot rename curly brace. We have columns equals to transaction ID transaction comma. We have next date equals to date comma. We have next customer ID equals to customer comma. We have what next again? We have after customer ID, we have, I think this thing has, let me just run it back and see. I think that went off. No, what happened here? Our DF, I think it's a mistake somewhere here. Column ID I'm looking at, I don't see it again. Something happened here. DF dot columns. Yes, so something happened here. Let me delete this one off. So as we are again, let's continue. We have date, customer ID to customer, then gender equals to gender, then age, comma, age equals to age, then product category equals to product. Then what next again? Quantity is equal to quantity, comma, quantity equals to quantity. Then followed by price per unit, no, small letter, per unit equals to price, then total amount equals to amount. We have total amount equals to total amount. So I think total amount, no, total amount, comma. So to make it permanent, we said in place equals to true. So let's check again and see our code. We said df, we want to rename the column. So we transfer the transaction into b into transaction alone. Then date will remain the way it is. There's customer ID will be customer. Then gender will be gender the same. Age will be also age. Then product category will be product alone. Then the quantity also will be quantity on its own too. Then the price per unit will also be price only. That's where we are doing. And total amount will also be amount. That's what we do here. So let's run it and see what we have. Let's run this. Good. So let's see what we rename, the data frame that we rename. Let's call it df and run it. So you can see now. You can see we have transaction only. We have date, we have customer, gender, age. This is all okay. Let's just put the df. Let's just put it as the head so that we put it just first five in 5 sentences. That will not be more than 5 sentences. That's the head. Let's just put it this way. So you can see the uh, five rows. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 rows. First 5 rows of our data set. So let's continue. So let's find the shape of our data set. Let's say df dot shape. Let's run it. We have 1000 rows and 9 columns. These are 9 columns that we have. We have transaction, date, customer, gender, age, product, quantity, price, amount. So let's find out if it contains missing value by saying df dot is known dot sum. Close. Let's find out. So our data is okay. We don't have any unwanted null value. So our data is clean. But to continue, let us check if it's any, to confirm if we have any drop. If this confirm, our data is okay, as you can see. So now let's see if there's any duplicate, if at all. By that, we don't have any duplicate. But let's say df dot duplicate if any dot any bracket close. Let's run it. No, there's a message. Data frame object has no attribute to duplicate. Okay, duplicated. That's duplicated. So we have to correct it. Good, it's false. So we are good to go. So now let's drop